Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we're going to be making 4 different kinds of Montaditos. This is how the bread looks. How cute are they? I actually got this bread from the restaurant 100 Montaditos. They have a bunch. They're really good and different flavors and 100 different ways of assembling them, but they also sell the bread on the side. So I picked up a dozen and I preheated the oven at 350 degrees. You can also toast them in like a toaster oven for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just gonna bake it in the oven until they're like golden brown, like 2 to 3 minutes. It won't take long. And then I have my accompaniments here. We're going to make a brie, arugula, and like fried onion one. We're gonna make a roasted tomato mozzarella with like some arugula, some Philly cheesesteak, and then smoked salmon. So the first one we are going to make, after they're all toasted, I put some cheese. We're gonna make the Philly cheesesteak one. So I'm just going to stuff these with the Philly cheesesteak. The cheese is on the bottom. I might put some cheese on top. I don't know, we'll see. The next one I'm going to make is going to be brie with some crispy fried onions and arugula. So to this, I'm just going to add some of the brie slices that we cut up. I also added a drizzle of honey mustard, some fresh arugula, and some crispy onions. Beautiful. Now the next one we're going to make is a sun-dried roasted tomato mozzarella montadito. So we're gonna add some of that sun-dried tomato paste that we made. And to make the sun-dried tomato one, we have the sun-dried tomato paste on the bottom. We're gonna add some of those roasted tomatoes and then some fresh tomatoes, a slice of mozzarella cheese, and then we are going to add some arugula. And the last one we are going to make is a smoked salmon one. So we're gonna open up our bread. I have some chived whipped cream cheese here. We're gonna spread a layer of that on the bottom. Nice layer. And then to that, we're going to add some capers. Capers and smoked salmon go so well together. I will add some sliced red onions for a little bit of crunch. Some of that smoked salmon. So some of that smoked salmon, they're pretty thin, so you do want to kind of separate them and then just stick them in there. And then some arugula. And that's how the smoked salmon cream cheese one looks. How cute do they look all packaged? This would be great for like a picnic or if you have like some appetizers. So we have smoked salmon, arugula cream cheese, or chive cream cheese, and capers. We have brie, some fried onions, some arugula and honey mustard, a Philly cheesesteak, and a sun-dried tomato paste with fresh tomatoes, roasted tomatoes with balsamic glaze, some arugula and mozzarella. How cute are they? Super fast, easy, simple, and great for like 1 or 2 bites. These are the Montaditos. I hope you guys try it out. Assalamualaikum.